log into Shopify for the store, pop art, wall art, and we need to download an app. So let's do that right now. So let's go to app, and we're going to download the Google Shopping app. So let's visit Shopify store and do a search for Google Shopping. Click this one right here with the giant G. That's the one that we should be using. Let's get, it's free, awesome, love it. And it's just integrating with Google Shopping, or excuse me, with Shopify. Say yes, let's add this. So this way, again, the reason why I'm creating this course is we're doing everything everything is totally integrated. And it does say you have to add contact information of your store. Great, let's add that. So now we need to connect to a Google account. So I'm going to log in my Google account that we set up just a little while ago. Yep, sounds good. Excellent. So we have AdWords connected. Now we need a Merchant Center account. Merchant Center is the platform that fuels Google Shopping. So a platform that will list all of your products, the images, the price, the description, etc. So I'm going to create a Merchant Center account. Excellent. And on the last screen, I did get an error. So if you get that same error, literally what you should do is just go to Google Merchant Center, so Google Merchant Center, and log in with the exact same login credentials as the AdWords account that we created. And then this is what it looks like, Google Merchant Center. But once I did that, if I can open up the right tab, you'll see the error totally disappeared. So if you get that error that you saw on my last screen, just log into the account and it should realize like, oh wait, you are the owner, so we're good. So this is just general settings. I'm going to skip all of this, configure account, and it's going to update. Excellent. So now we go right here is Google will test and optimize all your products in the Google Merchant Center when you create. So we're now back into Shopify. And we're going to start the product sync. And what this is going to do, and it takes some time, it will start pushing out all the products that you have that are in the Shopify store to Google Merchant Center, right here, which then goes into AdWords. Sounds complex, but it's really not, and that's why I like this course, because it's linking everything together. So do you see all these awesome products that are being sold? Those will be moving right into Merchant Center, and it's going to take a while. As you can see, it says can take 3 to 5 business days for Google to approve a pending product. So I'm going to stop this video right now, and then we're going to pick it up later on once these are approved, and then how we can create that shopping campaign. Okay, so now it's been a few days. Let's just see if the items within Google Merchant Center and within Shopify are approved for Google Shopping. So go to the home screen, view all channels, go to Google Shopping, and let's see. And sure enough, all of the products are approved, which is a really good thing. You see all the products, awesome. So, and we can even double check. So if you log into your Merchant Center account, you're going to see that at the start you had a bunch of products that were pending, but now we're all green here, which is amazing. So now we just have to create our shopping campaign. So you go to plus new campaign, or plus campaign, plus new, and this is within AdWords. Then we want this campaign for sales, go to shopping. It's going to link the Merchant Center right here, which is great. Do standard shopping campaign. Manual CPC is the best way to go when you're just starting off. Enable enhanced CPC, that's the best practice. Say you have a budget of $10 per day. Delivery method, standard, that's great. Google Search Network and partners is fine. United States, excellent. Nope, I already had a campaign created as that, so I'll do number 2. Create a few campaigns for demo purposes. Ad group name, you can just do Google Shopping. And I'm just going to do the standard product shopping. I would recommend for anyone who's getting started, just do that. Start off with a bid of $1.75. What happens if you're not gaining traffic? Then what you're going to want to do is increase your bids. But if you're hitting your daily budget earlier on, then what you can do is lower your bids. So I'm just going to pause this right now. And eventually what's going to happen is you're going to see a bunch of, what you should do within AdWords is you should adjust your columns to just say, let's say I want impressions, how many times people saw my ad. I want the average cost per click, how much it costs per click, because that's what you pay for, the cost, and then conversions that you have set up that's integrating to AdWords. And then as time goes, you can see how much you're spending on each, how much per click, and how many conversions are rolling through. So that ends this section on shopping. If anyone wants to know what a shopping ad looks like, again, just go to shopping.google.com, do a search for whatever products that you sell, so in this case, pop art, and these are the ads. It just pulls directly from your product feed, and if you click, you'll go directly to the store. So that's what that looks like. Wanted to make sure that everyone is aware. Thank you.